Okay, we're going on a quick test drive here. We have 34,847 miles on the odometer. Now the flickering, all the craziness going on here, that's just in camera. That is not in person. So the flickering, like I said, it's just the camera kind of freaking out, but nothing is flickering in person. This car smells incredible inside. Has that new car smell, fresh Porsche plastic. Very nice. So far the alignment feels solid, steering wheel's nice and straight. There's no PPF paint protection film on this car. I still think it's a good candidate to put some on. Of course, it has some little rock chips here and there. That PPF will protect it from here on out. Yeah, alignment feels solid. Steering wheel's nice and straight. No weird noises. Shift's perfect. I'm not gonna get on it. Car's still trying to warm up. No complaints of drivability whatsoever. All right, we're gonna do a visual condition report. So we're looking for scuffs, scratches, chips, dings, any cosmetic imperfections that we can find. So looking at the front end of this car, there's no PPF on this at all, paint protection film. Date code on the front tires, 2018. The back two are 2023. This interior is black, paint's black. The interior smells brand new still. Absolutely incredible. And then I got the top here. You can see the glass pulled back so you can see in. The interior is gorgeous on this car. Looking on the outside, you're gonna have some little scuffs and scratches for the miles, but overall, she's in really, really good condition. You got the Pilot Sport 4S's, like it said, date code 2018. Now, when you look at the finish on the wheel, you know, from a few feet away, it looks amazing. Of course, if you get up close, you're gonna see the flaws there, kind of the finish coming off. It's really on that inside. And then looking at the calipers, same thing, the finish just kind of fading. I think they were gloss black at some point, and I say that could have been from kind of an acid wash or something that they did to clean the wheels over the years, and it just started eating away at that paint. So that caliper is definitely has a lot of wear on it. Now it has been ceramic coated. Looking at the paint, overall looks really good. Nice depth to it. Typical swirls from just everyday washing still. That looks nice. Upper side looks good. Overall the side mirror's clean. Got a little mark right there. You're gonna have some light flaws, but for the most part, what I can tell here, she looks beautiful. You have film right here protecting that section. Has more of a matte finish to it. And then you're gonna have the small impacts up here. It's very subtle. Keep in mind, a couple feet away, you're not gonna see that. Quarter looks good, back bumper looks nice. Date code 2023, like I said. And then once again, the finish, just kind of fading. You can see in here. All the way around, but the outside face of it looks good. And then same thing with the caliper, all the color is just gone. If you look at the lugs, same thing, the finish is kind of gone. I have a feeling they're kind of acid washed or something. No window tint, nice and clear. Looking at the front end, typical rock impacts. Like I said, no PPF on the car, so you're gonna get rock chips. Overall, that lens looks good. I'm gonna have chips like that. Small stuff, but nothing larger. Rest of that looks good. Clear lens. Of course, when you get close, you're gonna see that. Lots of impacts. looks good. Getting underneath her. You got a little rash here. You can see that piece right there is cracked. You have rash right there. Keep in mind this is way under the car. That little splitter piece, you can see it's kind of fraying. But walking around the car a couple feet off the ground here, you're not going to see that. So I wouldn't worry about that. The fender looks good. Overall, the wheel looks nice. Like I said, once again, you can see the finish here. That could have also been just brake dust that built up in here and was never washed, and it just ate through that finish. But right here it looks good. No chip there. Overall looks good. Looks nice. Okay, looking at the interior, all black here. Like I said, this smells brand new. It's absolutely gorgeous. I know you can't tell in camera sometimes, but just you got to be here in person. And when you sit in this car, it instantly tells you whether they took care of it or not, just based on the smell and the overall condition. Beautiful matte finish to everything. Looks incredible. That door panel looks nice. Like I said, matte finish on everything, no shine. Looks really good. That looks nice. Memory seating. Plastics look good. That bolster looks perfect. Same here. Look how clean that is. Looks really, really nice. If anything, you're going to have some wear on the steering wheel, some light marks, a little bit of shine. 34,000 miles. That looks good. Matte finish up here. Screen looks good. Got the heated seats, sport mode. You have the crest right there. It looks good. Not much to pick apart in here, honestly. Alcantara headliner looks incredible. Got your nav. Here's a cell phone mount of some sort. Like I said, heated seats. All of this is nice and clean. Upper side of the dash looks incredible. Perfect. And that is an Alcantara finish. Looks good. Got the garage door opener built in here. Lights look nice. Here's your cold start, no lights. Here on this door panel, looks incredible. Nice and clean. Overall looks amazing. Bolster looks awesome. Beautiful matte finish to the seats. They're not shiny or anything. And once again, the smell in here is incredible. It smells brand new. It has that super clean, fresh scent. You can tell they definitely took care of this car. Probably never had food in it, things like that. Very nice. Nothing standing out to me as far as flaws go back here. That looks incredible. All right, looking in here, looks awesome. Plastics are nice and clean. And then it looks like we have some service records in here that we'll need to go through. And then we have a trickle charger right here. Perfect little spot. Looking in here looks good. Of course, it just got detailed, so I just opened this up and a little bit of water dripping out, so don't worry about that. The car does not have a backup camera, but you do have parking sensors. So you can see that graphic there. Navigation. Looks good. Beautiful, beautiful car though.